What's up, YouTube? I'm just tapping in, guys, to close out this shortened week. Okay, tomorrow the market will be closed. Okay, so do me a favor, take some time out to love one family, eat some food, but more importantly, get your mind right, because Friday we got a half day, but we will be getting right back to the money. With that being said, guys, I got a jam-packed video, a lot to teach on today. So keep it locked. Let's go ahead and dive into it. First off, guys, I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. Okay. Again, guys, we take it one day at a time, one play at a time. And remember, I am looking for progress, not perfection. So I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. Now, guys, check this out. Today, I got two lessons I want to teach you guys about today. Number one is theta, otherwise known as time decay. Check out my play, guys, and listen. Okay, on this journey, losing and taking losses, okay, is part of the journey. Nobody will win all trades, including myself. I want to show you guys here, though, an example of a trade that should have been a winner, but I want to talk to you and walk you through what went on. Guys, let's go ahead and break this down. Do me two favors, guys. Look at my average cost. Okay, I got into this play around 47 cents. Let me tell you guys what the price was. When I bought this play this morning, SPY was 401. Okay, 401.50 to be exact, around that range. Okay, let's go ahead and break this down. Do me a favor, guys. Look at the current SPY price, or look at the current price at the time of this. Okay, SPY was at 402.09. However, look at how much I'm down when the stock is significantly higher than where I bought it at. Okay, now mind you, this play had went to 402.30 and I still was down. I didn't even make it back to 47. I didn't even make it back to break even. Okay, so in that instance, I cut my loss. But what happened here, guys? What are some of the things that come to mind that took place? Let's go ahead and look at when I purchased this play. Okay, I bought this play today, this morning. Look at my expiration date. The expiration date happened to be same day. This is a quick note, quick teaching lesson, guys. When you have a same day expiration date, you better know for certain that you are making the right move, that you're on the right side of the trade, because if not, you don't have the liberty of a week out or a month out or something like that you might have with a regular stock. Because in this particular case, guys, theta, okay, that's one of the Greeks as it relates to options. You got delta, you have theta, okay, you got other things too, but check it out. Theta, otherwise known as time decay, took my play away. Okay, this means this play was taking way too long. When I got in at 401, it was taking way too long to get to 402. So by the time it got to 402.09, it had lost its value. Okay, and so in my particular case, guys, what really should have been a winner, it should have been another example of me showing you getting in and getting out. But I think it's important for me not only to share with you guys the process, I want you guys to see both ends of the spectrum, how you cut your losses. Okay, in this particular case, it got back up to this level. It was down even further. Okay, right here I said, you know what, I'm only taking $1,000 loss on the day. That's my threshold. Okay, boom, I got around this area, got in and got out as quick as I could. Okay, cut your loss when you get it wrong. Cut your loss if theta is eating away at your premium and it don't allow you to make a full recovery. Okay, if I had more time, it would have been no hassle. This play ended up going up extremely high on today. Okay, when the Fed minutes came out, the market took off and went crazy. Okay, I could have made it all back right there, but because I had no time on my side due to expiration, this play was a play that I had to cut my loss on. That's part of the game. Remember, guys, if you don't take profits, if you don't get the trade right, and you have no time or a short amount of time on your expiration, sometimes you got to make an executive decision. Okay, guys, next what we have, I'm bringing out the charts, and this is the day chart right here. Okay, this is the 1 day chart. This is a macro view of SPY. Okay, I tell you, everything flows from it, so it lets me know what other stocks was likely to do. But more importantly, to get more drilled down, you look at the 1 day on all your stocks. Look at what we have here, guys. I'm going to take the time to allude to some things here. I want to first point out the 200 EMA. Okay, that's what I have pointed at right there. All right, that black line shows us we are getting close to resistance. We are reaching a point of getting close to resistance. So now that we clear 400, I told you guys in the Discord this morning. As a matter of fact, make sure if you guys haven't already, you happen to see this video and you are not in the Discord, please do me a favor and join us. Link for that is at the description below. But check it out, guys. I talked about this morning with the SPY that it would make a run, okay, for 400. And if we can get over 400, then we would try to take off. It went from 400 to 402 on the day. It went higher than 402. It went to the upper end of 402. But point being is the higher above 402 we get, the closer we get to this black line right here, okay? And the closer we get to this black line right here means we are getting close to resistance. Look what happened at resistance all the other times we have hit this level, okay? And if I was to move the chart back, you would see it again when it hit this level. You get rejected, okay? You hit this top and then you go down. What will happen here if it hits this top? Will we go down? Okay, that's what we're looking to see, okay? But as I often say, you don't want to guess, you don't want to gamble, you want to react. You want to let the play out. You want to see how high this thing can potentially go before it gets rejected and starts making this move back to the downside. Because yes, indeed, guys, it will come back down, okay? But you don't know if it's going to come back down at the 406 level. You don't know if it's going to come down at 410. It might even get back to 415, 416. You don't know. So you want to react and just play it level to level like we talk about each and every day, okay? Because again, if you try to front run it and then we continue to go higher, that's called a bear trap. You will be trapped in and then losing money as the stock continues to go higher, okay? So remember to respect the levels, know your resistance levels, and you guys will see firsthand when the stock is ready to come back to the downside, whether it hits resistance or breaks through and then comes back down. And then, guys, I have pulled up here the weekly chart, okay? This is an even more macro view of what's going on with the SPY. And look at what we have here, guys. You see this forming right here. We call this a, let me get this pulled up. We call this here a double bottom, okay? And you see, I'm gonna just put DB for double bottom, and you guys know what that typically leads to. And look, guys, it's already starting to make its move, okay? We had this move here, up here, and boom. So right now it's sitting at the 48, okay? The 48, 402, 78-ish. But we're looking for, if it's going to continue higher, it might flag a little bit, trade sideways. But if it's going to go higher, we're looking for an explosive move up above this neckline, okay? For it to make its way around to at least 408. 406 level, okay? Listen, guys, these are just some things you want to be mindful of so that you kind of know what's next, what's happening, what kind of moves can you expect. Now remember, nothing happens in a day, nothing happens. These are more farther out looks of the stock market, okay? The 1 day and 1 week. So especially this 1 week, we are looking for significant levels in which where we close at each and every day, okay? Each and every week, I should say. And that tells us if we're on the right trajectory. At this current rate, we're forming a double bottom. That typically leads to the stock skyrocketing, okay? So it remains to be seen. As I often say, don't front run it because anything can happen. Some news can come out when December CPI report come out. And next thing you know, we might be headed back in the other direction if this forward momentum doesn't continue, okay? Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. We got again a shortened week, meaning we have off tomorrow and the market will resume for a half day on Friday. But listen, man, I want you guys to take mental reps, reflect on the day you had, reflect on the lesson we talked about today as it relates to time decay. And have you ever been in a play that, again, you should have been up, but you weren't up because theta began to eat away at your premium? If you have, please let me know down in the comments below. I love to hear the journey that we all are on together. Okay, listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.